Good morning, Nino.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, how's your class now?
You mean my chemistry class?
Yes, how is it?
Now it is quite interesting. Earlier I felt it very boring. What about yours?
Not bad. Our teacher is very cooperative. That's why I understand almost all.
By the way, are you to the town?
Yes, I am.
If so, could you please post this letter?
Oh, sure. Anything else?
No, nothing. Thank you.
Welcome. Excuse me, could you please direct me to the railway station?
Sure. You walk straight and turn right from that junction. Then keep walking for about 5 minutes.
How far is it?
About 1 kilometer.
Can I get an auto from here?
Yes, easily.
Oh, that's better. You know, my train comes at 8:30. I will be late if I walk to the station. Anyway, thanks.
My pleasure.
The time, please.
It's 4:30.
When is the next bus to Kannur?
I think at 5.
Oh, thank you.
It's alright. Excuse me, is there any bus to Ernakulam?
One left just now. There is another one at 3:30.
Oh, I see.
Are you to Ernakulam?
No, I'm to Chalakudi.
If so, there's a straight bus from here at 3 o'clock, an ordinary one.
Is there?
Yeah, it will come now.
There is 80 kilometers to Chalakudi, right?
No, more than that.
Oh, is it? Then I'll reach there only after 5:30.
Here comes your bus. Get in fast.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
I'm finishing this video here today. Stay well and keep learning English with us. May God bless you.